Meaning of diffusion.
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 Diffusion. Diffusion refers to the process by which particles spread out and move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. This results in the even distribution of particles throughout a space. Diffusion is driven by the innate tendency of particles to move randomly and seek equilibrium. This process can occur across a variety of mediums such as liquids, gases, and even solids. Diffusion is an important process in many natural phenomena, including osmosis, respiration, and the spread of pollutants. It is also used in various industrial applications, such as separating gases and purifying liquids.